Hi, friends. Welcome back to the channel. If there's one topic that I think could change your life, it's this: personal finance and investing basics for beginners. Have you ever felt like you just don't understand money stuff? Like saving, investing, retirement accounts, mortgages? Maybe you feel lost in a maze of numbers and terms that just don't make sense. Or perhaps you're young and just starting out, earning your first paycheck and wondering what to do with it. Or maybe you're a parent trying to teach your kid about money matters. Whatever your situation, understanding the basics of personal finance is a superpower. And I'm here to tell you that you can learn it. Today, we'll cover 7 essential topics that will give you a solid foundation for managing your finances. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's get started. 1. Create a budget. Let's start with budgeting. Think of a budget as a roadmap for your money. Without it, it's like driving across the country with no GPS. A budget helps you track where your money is going and how you can use it wisely. One simple method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% to wants like eating out, streaming services, and shopping. And 20% to savings and investments. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about knowing where your money is going. 2. Build an emergency fund. We've probably heard stories of someone who had an unexpected car repair or medical bill and couldn't afford it. An emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up can help you handle unexpected situations without going into debt. 3. The magic of compounding. Now let's talk about something magical: compounding. Just think about this. You earn 10% every year on your savings. If you save $1,000 and earn 10%, what is investing? Investing is like planting a tree. You start with a seed, which in this case is your money. You plant it with care, and over time it grows and eventually produces more seeds, which grow into more trees. That's how money grows when you reinvest your earnings. And the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. 5. Explore your investment options. When it comes to investing, you've got a few options. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Buying a stock is like buying a little slice of that company. Companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon sell tiny pieces of themselves called shares or stocks. People who own these stocks are the company's shareholders. If the company does well, the value of your stock goes up and you can sell it for a profit. But remember, investing always carries some risk. You might lose some or all of your money. That's why it's smart to diversify. Meaning, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments among different companies and types of investments. This helps you manage risk because if one investment doesn't do well, you still have others. One popular type of investment is exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs allow you to invest in many stocks or bonds with just one click. They're like a basket of investments that you can buy and sell. For example, an ETF might hold shares from 50 different technology companies. If you buy one share of that ETF, you're essentially buying a little bit of each of those 50 companies. ETFs are great for beginners because they offer instant diversification and usually charge low fees. 6. Golden tips for beginners. Here are some golden tips to help you on your investing journey. Start early. Time in the market matters more than timing the market. This means that it's generally better to start investing sooner rather than later. Even if you can only invest small amounts at first, invest consistently. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow significantly over time thanks to compounding. Don't panic during market dips. Remember, the market goes up and down in the long run. Historically, the market has grown over time. Keep fees low. High fees can eat into your investment returns. Look for investments with low expense ratios. Think long term. Building wealth takes time. Don't expect to get rich quickly. Be patient and stay focused on your long-term goals. 7. Take action. Now that you know the basics, it's time to take action. Start small, whether it's creating a budget, opening a savings account, or setting up your first investment. Every small step counts. Remember, the choices you make today will shape your financial future. So take charge of your money and build the life you want to live. And there you have it, a primer on personal finance and investing. Subscribe for more and hit the like button if you found this helpful. Do share it with a friend who might find some value in this too. And remember, it's never too late or too early to start. So let's take that first step towards a brighter financial future. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.